2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. This is what it sounds like before. Again. There's sound decibels. Right at 88. All right, guys, so we'll let you guys hear it, what it sounds like before. 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is what we did on it. So we did a mid-muffler delete, as you guys can see, right there. That's where it usually goes. And put an X-pipe in its place to equalize exhaust scavenge, 2.5 inch, all the way. There it is, really beautiful. And then we left everything else the same. It's got valves on it, there and there. Spring loaded, and then we left the factory resonators there and there, and the factory tips there and there. He might change those later on, but this is what it looks like. That's the mid muffler on it. If nothing else, he lost about 50 pounds worth of weight just by itself right there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and do everything you guys do. Appreciate it. Not bad. If you really want to open it, you got to take those resonators off. Put some vibrant. There's sound decibels. Now it's 106. It's not too bad. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let you guys hear on the inside. Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Mid-muffler delete and X-pipe installed. Let's see how this thing flies. They're pretty quick. Damn, beast mode. Enjoy, guys. So we let you guys hear it before. 2021 Grand Cherokee B 6.4 liter. So we let you hear it before with the stock. This is after. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then a full Borla axle back kit. As you guys can see, there's the old system we took off. This is what it looks like after, right there. Resonators, 2 of them. X-pipe in the middle, all 3 inch all the way back. And then 2 resonators out the back, or 2 mufflers out the back. Borla attack there and right there, and then it's got some massive 5-inch black roll tips there and there to finish it off. It looks absolutely magnificent, you guys. And we always like to support Borla because they're in Johnson City, Tennessee, so they're in our hometown, or state, not town. Nashville is hometown. But this is what it looks like before, right there. There's the factory resonators and the factory kidney bean muffler. And the part number on the Borla system is right there. There will be a link in the description. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, much better. At idle, it's 83 now. Much better. Sound decibels again. 112. color too. Jeep SRT Grand Cherokee, carbon fiber hood, just sexy car. You want power and family, you get this car. That's what I love about Jeeps and Rams and those type of cars in general. You can fit a family in it and still have fun. Alright guys, we got something really nice and special here today. 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. As you guys can see, really beautiful car. You can see all that system that we took off right there. Thrown away, because we don't like factory stuff here. Nope. What we did, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then he brought his own GT house. Complete cat back system, as you guys can see. Really clean, really shiny. It's a valve system. He's gonna get the valves installed by a mechanic, but we ran the system and opened the valves. The valves go right here on this side, right in there. It's a vacuum system there and there, you guys, as you can see. But now we opened them so you can hear the full potential of it. Really shiny mufflers, and it is an officially licensed product by Mopar. This is what it's called, GT House. American Roar Racing mufflers, there and there. And then it comes into two massive 5-inch tips with a special cool thing in the middle to cut the sound a little bit more. As you guys can see there and there. Just came out really nice, really clean. Just a really clean system. There you go. Very nice. And there's the old system that was on it. There's the mid muffler and the rear resonators and the piping. We took it all off. Just cleaned it up for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This is with the valves closed, guys. Again. Sound decibels. Again. Again. So you gotta really rev on it. Let go of them. Again. What a difference. Again. You guys can see it's a big difference. All right. I just want to let you guys hear that. See you later. Again. I'll let you guys hear all this. Jeep Grand Cherokee with a GT House full exhaust system. Nice 5-inch black tips. Really nice car. See if he goes beast mode. Hopefully he does. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode. 2021 SRT 8 Grand Cherokee. Still fresh off the line, man. Really clean car. Got factory converters there. Then he brought his own AWE system. We showed you guys what it looked like before he was on the car. So it's got an H-pipe set up, as you guys can see there. Then AWE right there. Then everything comes clamped. We tack the clamps to make sure they don't rattle back off. And it's a full 3-inch system out the back on each side. There's the resonators there. One here, one here. Then 3-inch pipe into 2 mufflers, one there and one there. And then some sexy 5-inch black tips to complete the look there and right there. There's the system that was on it before. There's a suitcase muffler, 2 intermediate pipes, 2 rear pipes, 2 resonators, and 2 tips. In with the, out with the old, in with the new. I got the Onyx here twice. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. Again. Here's sound decibels, guys. Again. Wow. When you really revved it, what was it, like 118, I think? Yeah, it got up to 118, guys. Wow. From 86 before. Yeah. This sounds so nice. Yeah, go ahead and back it out. AWE. And Cal Performance did some of his build out of Michigan. We'll have a link in the description for you guys. Cal Performance. Giving props to our service members. Go ahead. Yeah, that sounds good. That's really nice. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Look at that, guys. It's a rare color combination. This is the last one they made. That's it. After this, you're not going to be able to get them new anymore. Used only. It was the last stamp. So the VIN stamp on it is the last VIN stamp for this model. No more. I'm sad now. I'm really, really sad, man. They're going to go all electric, aren't they, or something, or some hybrid or something?
That's the future. Electric.
But it's a perfect color scheme, man. I like it.
Yeah, it's a compliment. It complements itself so nicely.
Yeah, very nicely. Look at that. That's sexy. Enjoy, guys. AWE system, catback. There's all the old stuff, and now all the new stuff is on the car. SRT, Grand Cherokee. Last one of its kind, new. A nice idle to it. It's clean, man. Yeah, he's waiting the road to clear up a little bit. Hemi, man. Hemi mode. Enjoy, guys.